Like, get that niggas. They still playing circles around me. I'm gonna grab his ass. Okay, LUGANDA XLz okuveka twe. Week 5 of the excellence. Thanks for the love, man. Everybody watching, everybody liking, everybody sharing, everybody commenting. I really appreciate it. We're gonna do it like this. Listen up. I was born dope. On the real, Nagashamanya. Blame it on Jehovah that I'm killing every one of y'all. It's so hunger driven. Siso solama namba yaba kariba ama channel yesawa mkolama ja. And for those who didn't know, life is a marathon, but if you dream it, sprint mode. Siduka, Zensazandima, all about my passion. My profession is a dreamer. And just like you, I'm a sinner, but I still rest assured through Christ I'm a winner. I thank him for my life, talent and skill. Life is a unicycle, so I let him balance the wheel. This is for Katwe, Navisharu, Chirombe, the ghetto Ugandan artists that are trying to make these songs play. It ain't about airplay and stations and issues, what you indict. There's a lot of generations to reach. Yeah, peace out.